Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily file business tax for LLC in TurboTax. So of course, just head over to turbotax.intuit.com and make sure that you're logged in. So once you're logged into your account, in the left panel, just click on My Info and we can start with wages and income. Make sure that you gather your documents. You're going to need your EIN if applicable, income and expense records, 1099s, bank statements, and receipts. Just follow the guided prompts. TurboTax will ask about your business type, income, and deductions. Also include your LLC's name, address, and structure, whether it's single or multi-member, and answer questions about your business activity and industry. Also enter your income just like in 1099s and categorize your business expenses, supplies, software, travel, and more. TurboTax checks for errors and maximizes deductions. E-file directly from the platform or print and mail your return. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!